So I'm working for Elastic, the company behind Elasticsearch, Logsearch, Kibana, Beats. Yeah, we started off in the search space, and now we're doing logging, metrics, security analytics, business analytics, and loads of other things. So that's the company, and I'm a developer advocate, so I mostly go out to tell the community about the good stuff that we do, also collect feedback and get some of the words back, or feel the pain points and just see what is going on, and also help people out when they need something.
What is the motivation behind machine learning?
Yeah, everybody needs machine learning nowadays, and it feels a bit like very buzzwordy. So since we have a lot of logging and events, at some point we saw that we want to have something around anomaly detection. And then we acquired an existing company which was called Prelert, and they were doing something for anomaly detection. But since we didn't want to make it that narrow, we kind of called that feature now machine learning, because we might broaden it in the future. And what our machine learning does right now is pretty much anomaly detection in time series data. So basically you have, I don't know, visitors to your website or response codes to HTTP requests, and the system basically learns what is normal or expected in your system, and it will tell you when something unexpected happens. For example, if you have a spike in 500s, or if you have fewer visitors on your website for whatever reason, and it will tell you that. And the main motivation or problem that we're trying to solve there is you could define thresholds and just say, like, this is the value we want to set, and like if you're above or below, we want to have an alert. But often that is not that easy, because you have like some pattern or cycle where you see, I don't know, during the day you have more visitors on your site, and at night you have very few. And then you would have, either you would need a lot of thresholds, or you would need that to set that very coarse grain. So you couldn't very finely say, okay, this is approximately what I expect at this time of the day. And this is kind of the problem that we're solving, that you don't need to define that many thresholds and alerts manually, but that the system should kind of learn what is expected and normal, and should then tell you, hey, watch out, there's something that doesn't look quite right. And that's what we're trying to solve there.
What are the main challenges that machine learning will solve?
So for our case, it's mainly people staring at dashboards. That's kind of what we want to avoid, because we always joke that there are not enough interns in the world to stare at all the dashboards that you're creating and then learn kind of the patterns. In a broader sense, I guess machine learning, or I guess the hope for machine learning is that it will solve a lot of repetitive tasks where a machine can learn something and then apply it. I don't think machine learning or AI in a general term will kind of like make us obsolete and take away all our jobs. Maybe some, but I still have the hope that it's kind of like improving and helping our life and not competing with us too much. But we'll see about that in the future.
So, anything you would like to add?
Anything I would like to add? Well, I don't think about machine learning. I've already said quite a lot. But, well, generally, thanks for having me again. And it's the third time I'm here in a row. And, well, it's always nice to be with you.